on your plate?
Oh, it's not.
Mashed potatoes?
1, 2, I like it.
Have some chicken, Hannah?
Biscuits.
Yes, little biscuits. I made, look it. I'll show you.
Brad, you like your biscuit?
It's
Look it. Little kid biscuits for kids, big biscuits for adults. You got little biscuits. Neat, eh?
They're with ice
Matthew,
cream
take a bite of your
in
biscuit.
it. Or ice cream in it. I would see.
He likes those
There's
potatoes.
ice cream in it.
No ice cream, no.
What's this?
It's like a bun. It's like a little bun. But it's very easy
I
to
like
eat.
this. I like this.
Do you? Thank
I
you.
do. I like those too.
Anybody trying the carrot coins? Carrot coins. Little tiny carrot coins. They're,
I eat them.
they're good, eh?
They're cooked carrots.
Good, eh?
Eat them.
Yeah, you'll eat them. You like vegetables.
How's that chicken? Is that yummy? That's different chicken, isn't it?
Different than chicken nuggets, isn't it? But good. Oh, Matthew, you know what you do? Yeah, no, you hold it with your hand.
You say
Hold
bite it with your hand?
Yeah, hold it with your hand. And you bite into it. Pick your biscuit up.
You can do it with this.
No.
No, it's easier with your
It's
hand.
easier with your hand. You're allowed to use your hand. Hannah likes the potatoes, don't
Hannah,
you?
why can't you